Hello, fourth grade mathematicians. Miss Berlin here with your first day of Number Corner. Now, what is Number Corner? Number Corner is what will help us become better and more efficient mathematicians. Are you ready? Because I am. We are going to start day one with looking at our Number Corner calendar. This is our Number Corner calendar. Every day, we will turn over one of the marker pieces and make observations on what is happening on that day. Before we get started, open up your math notebook. Go to the next clean page and write today's date. We are going to put 9-22-20. In the upper margin on that same page, you are going to write Number Corner Calendar Observations. That is Number Corner Calendar Observations. This is what you're going to write in that upper margin. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to. All right. We are going to go to today's date, which is the 22nd. Except we are going to pause a couple times to observe what is happening in the calendar. September 1st, September 2nd, September 3rd. What are you noticing? Write that down in your notebook. September 4th, September 5th, September 6th, 7th, 8th. Write down a prediction you have of what you think it will look like on day 9. Do you notice the horseshoe shapes and the lines? What do you think they mean? Again, write this in your math notebook. September 9th. Let's count how many horseshoe shapes there are on the 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Was your prediction correct? Let's see how many lines there are on September 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make another prediction on what you think September 10th will look like. September 10th. Do you notice any new symbols or shapes? Yeah. Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write in your math notebook what you think these symbols mean. What you think this swirl means, these horseshoe shapes, and the lines. We're going to keep going. What other patterns have you noticed? Make a prediction on what you think the 22nd will look like. Again, was your prediction correct? Now that we talked a little bit about our calendar, we are going to move into our next warm-up, which is called computational fluency. Now, computational fluency is the ability to solve number problems efficiently and accurately. That means you can add, subtract, multiply, or divide quickly while getting the correct answer. These workouts that we are going to be doing in Number Corner are going to help us become better mathematicians so that we can solve math problems more efficiently and accurately. We are now going to take a look at this number line. Write down in your math notebook what you notice about the number line. What do you think these arrows mean? What do you notice about the numbers? After you've done that, we are going to start counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What we just did was we counted the multiples of 2. Do you know what a multiple is? A multiple is a number that is the product of a given whole number and any other number that may be divided by a given number without a remainder. For example, 3, 6, and 12 are all multiples of 3. What this means is 1 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 equals 6, and so on. Those are all multiples of 3. Now, we are going to be creating a key to recognize the numbers that are multiples of 2. Now, take a look at this number line. We're going to be counting by twos, but this time I'm going to label each number that is a multiple of 2 so we know which ones they are. And I'm going to be doing that by drawing a box around the multiples of 2, like this. Write in your math notebook, how many multiples of 2 do you think there are between 0 and 100? We're going to find out. We're going to be counting by ones, but each time I get to a multiple of 2, I'm going to say it louder. So while I'm counting, I'm going to whisper, but when I get to a multiple of 2, I'm going to say it louder. Let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's look. How many multiples of 2 are between 0 and 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many multiples of 2 do you think are between 20 and 40? Let's find out. 21, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Now let's count and see how many are between 20 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now friends, let's think. If there are 10 multiples of 2 between 0 and 20, and 10 multiples of 2 between 20 and 40, think again, write down your prediction. How many multiples of 2 do you think there are between 0 and 100? You can change your prediction from the beginning. That is okay. All right, friends, I am going to keep squaring the multiples of 2 until we get to 100. While I do this, you can count by twos out loud or in your head. All right, friends, we're going to go back and count from 0 to 100 to see how many multiples of 2 there are. We counted there were 10 here and 10 here. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 30, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now friends, notice between 0 and 50, there were 25 multiples of 2. Do you think you know the answer for how many multiples of 2 there are between 0 and 100? We're at 25. Let's keep counting. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Friends, between 0 and 80, there are 40 multiples of 2. Does that give you any more clues as to how many multiples of 2 there are between 0 and 100? Let's keep counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. There are 50 multiples of 2 between 0 and 100. All right, mathematicians, you did an excellent job today. You can close up your math notebook, and this is the end of our first day of Number Corner. I'm so excited for day 2.